Welcome to the Virtual Paint Build Create special event, a STEAM-themed event for all ages, brought to you by Arlington County's Department of Parks and Recreation. My name is Mr. Jim, and today we will be making slime. Adults only should make this slime and handle all ingredients. Do not substitute any ingredients in our slime recipe. If you have sensitive skin, wear gloves while playing with the slime. And it's just a good idea to wear gloves while making it. And finally, remember that slime is messy. You will make a mess, so make sure you cover your tables and you can wear gloves if you don't want it to stick to your fingers. Alright, it's time to get our supplies. I like to pour out all the measurements before I start. So first you're going to need 2/3 cups of Elmer's white glue. It's important it's Elmer's because I'm not so sure if other glues will work. You'll need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of water. Notice I put it in a bowl, so in case it spills, I'm not losing any. And then about 2 cups of shaving cream. Remember, the shaving cream is what makes this fluffy slime, so the more shaving cream you use, the fluffier it will be. And now the secret ingredient, 1.5 tablespoons of contact lens solution. It's important your brand of contact lens solution has boric acid and sodium borate in the ingredients. This is what interacts with the glue to form the slime. And then of course, liquid food coloring. This is what's going to add color and pizzazz. You'll need something to mix all this stuff together. I'm using an old ruler, and then a bowl so we can mix it all together. And then of course gloves. Remember, safety first. Phew, I'm ready. Let's make some slime. After I put down my table covering, I'm going to put on some gloves. We're going to start with the glue. Add your 2/3 cups of Elmer's white glue to the bowl. Add your 1/4 cup water. Remember, if anything spilled, pour that in too. Then add your 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Use your stirring stick and mix it up. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. Alright, now add your 2 cups of shaving cream. Remember, this is what makes it fluffy. I'm going to try to get out everything I can because I need every little bit. Then you're going to mix it again, and you're going to see that things are getting a lot fluffier. Time for color. I'm very traditional, so I'm going to go for green slime. Check it out, I'm adding about 8 drops or so of food coloring, and then I mix. You're going to decide what the perfect color is, so if it's not dark enough, you can go ahead and add a few more drops. That's fine. And guess what? You can make a few batches in a few different colors and mix them together too. It's really up to you. So what do you think? Wow, I think that's a great color. I'm gonna go with it. Now we're gonna slowly add the secret ingredient, the contact lens solution. Notice I just poured in a little bit and stirred, and then you're gonna keep adding a little bit and notice how it thickens up, right? You're gonna slowly add, stir, and keep repeating until it's the right thickness. The slime should start to feel very sticky on your stirring stick, and that's normal, perfectly okay. At a certain point, things feel too sticky, so with gloved hands, get your hands in there and start to knead the slime. You can see I'm doing it here in the bowl, and then pick up the slime and do it in your hands. It might stick a little bit, but that's totally normal. If the slime is just too sticky, you can always add a little bit of contact lens solution and continue to knead it until it feels right. You'll know, because it won't be sticking to your hands a whole lot. It should be moving kind of freely. Check it out. Look at how this slime looks. It's awesome. So what does slime have to do with science? Well, it's chemistry. Chemistry is all about states of matter, including liquids, solids, and gases. It's about the way different materials are put together and how they're made up of atoms and molecules. And even more interesting is that slime is a non-Newtonian fluid. What does that mean? Well, a non-Newtonian fluid is neither a liquid nor a solid. It can be picked up like a solid, but it will also ooze like a liquid. How awesome is that? Slime does not have its own shape. You'll notice your slime change shape to fill whatever container it's placed in. And it can even bounce like a ball because of its elasticity. Just how long does fluffy slime last? Well, it will be fluffy for about a day or so, and then if you store it in an airtight container, it should last about a week. So check out more great STEAM activities on the website above. See you next time, everybody.